Okay guys, here we have a microwave transformer, like in the other video, and I had a little bit of fun with an apple here, because it's a bad apple, so, yeah. And the screwdriver, I just have it wired to the apple, and I'm arcing it on top of it. It puts on a pretty good show, so you got to be careful when you're doing this, because when you touch this thing, you're probably dead before you hit the floor, so, you better know what you're doing, is what I'm saying. Like, you need a rubber screwdriver, not a plastic one. So anyway, okay. Shoot, hold on. Alright, we're good. Huh. Ah, smells. Not that bad though. It smells kind of like burning bugs. Alright, that's enough. Off. Turn the variac down to 0. And for additional safety, unplug it. That's safe to. Let's see. Nah, not that hot. There's the damage that this wire did. Isn't that fun? And it's still smoking. That's awesome. Anyway, see you guys later.